Back bay of our city with the Longfellow Bridge in the foreground. When they show Boston from television, from postcards, this is a classic view of our city you will most often see. You can see the old John Hancock building, also called the Berkeley building, reflecting in the new John Hancock Tower, and that's going to make a really nice photograph to take back home. You guys on the left, you want to hurry up and get that shot because these boats, what's in front of us, they're kind of expensive. Get the shot. Get the shot. Alright, I'm going to swing around now. I'll give you guys on the right this photograph. Beautiful Trinity Church as the backdrop. How cool is that photograph to take back home? Is that awesome or what? Everybody got it? Go ahead, kiddo. We'll let you get it. We're not supposed to stop here. We get yelled at, but it's Saturday. There's not that much traffic. I'm the captain. I say we stop, right?
Right.
Right. So everybody got it? Everybody got it? That's going to make a really nice picture to bring back home. Okay, we got to roll here, guys. Now I'd like you to look in the back of Copley Square on your right, and you see back there statues of the tortoise and the hare. They put those there because of the Boston Marathon. Now, do you guys know who wins that race? The Kenyans. Right over here on our right, the Boston Public Library once again. You know, these days the kids got DVDs and VCRs and television and movies, but there's a lot to be said for the good old-fashioned book, right?
Right.
When you're reading a book, what are you using? Your brain, your mind, your imagination, your Kindle.
Yeah.
All those things come into play when you're reading a book.
Maybe next time we need to go on this mystery cruise.
It's the mystery. Wow, you're really close. Like right here.
You are all up in my face.